In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest in strategies using Ctrader copy. If you've ever wondered how to take advantage of the skills and experience of professional traders, but don't want to manage every single trade yourself, this guide will show you step by step how to easily copy successful trading strategies on the Ctrader platform. Let's begin by opening up your Ctrader application. If you're using Ctrader for the first time, just make sure you're logged in to your trading account. Once you're at the main dashboard, take a look at the menu found on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options related to trading and account management. What you want to do is click on the option labeled Copy. This is the gateway to the copy trading feature, which allows you to invest in strategies run by other experienced traders, also known as strategy providers. Now, you'll be brought to a new section where you can browse through a variety of strategy providers. This area gives you insight into each provider's trading performance, including historical profits, risk levels, and other important statistics. Take your time to review the available strategies. You might want to look at past performance, drawdown, and any associated fees, as these can help you make an informed decision about which strategy might be best suited for your goals and risk tolerance. Once you've found a strategy that matches your preferences, click on it to see even more details. You'll notice a copy button, usually highlighted to stand out. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to set up your investment. Here is where you enter the amount of money you wish to allocate to this strategy. Be sure to double check any minimum or maximum investment amounts, and remember to only invest what you're comfortable with. After you've entered your desired investment amount, you'll simply click Start Copying. This action links your account to the chosen strategy provider's trades, so the trades they make will automatically be mirrored in your account in proportion to your investment. This makes it easy to benefit from the knowledge and techniques of more experienced traders, all without hands-on trading. If at any point you wish to stop copying a strategy, the process is just as straightforward. Head back to the Copy section from the menu. Locate the specific strategy you're currently following and select it. Then click Stop Copying. Your investment will be released from that strategy, allowing you to take control of your funds or choose a different provider to copy. And that's it. You've learned how to get started with Ctrader copy, browse and select strategy providers, invest, and even how to stop copying whenever you like. Remember, while copy trading can be convenient, always make sure to review strategy details and risk information before investing. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your trading journey.